I still remain my humble self, Practical Hustle. Welcome to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will be guiding us on how to get an airdrop of an app which will soon be launched on the MEX exchange. So the description of the link, the URL of the website and app will be shared on my video description. All you need to do is to just click on it, and it will take you straight to the app. And if you are using you have a Google Play Store, you're using an iPhone, and you can download the Android APK also. After you click the link on my description, the video description below, all you need to do is to just click on each of your phone, then you click it, then you direct you straight to the app, just to download. So let's just quickly go through the app creation. To join the ICO, please download the mobile app and create an account. Listing process and private site on global console essential container. ISO date. So you still have time. We have a limited time, so we just have to be fast to claim this copy, please. We have to be fast. So that's to buy 200,000. Total allocation for this is 10,000. So price since my is 0.72. So per one. Let's just go click on Play Store and install the app. Click on install. Allow it to load. The name of the coin is Benny. I've made a research about this project, and it is, let me say, 90% legit. But that doesn't stop you from even making a lot of research on it also. But it is free, and so I don't think there is anything bad in it. So allow this. So once you go install the app and you take you down to the app, you click on create account. Select the country. The country is Nigeria. Come down to Nigeria. Referral code. You put the referral code inside. Let me look for my referral code and come in. So I have the referral code. You put your name. I put my name. Put your Twitter name. Let me put my Twitter name. Date of dates. Let me do it this way. Date of dates. This one should be taken before. This one is the first one reach. Okay, let me quickly go back. Let me just set my. So I've set my date of birth. I'll input my mail. What next is to just input your password. Then click on accept the terms and conditions. Scroll down here. Accept. Click on accept the terms and conditions. Click on verification of I am human. Trunk. Select trunk. Okay. This is not trunk. This is trunk. Select trunk. Verify. Click on sign up. Saved. Okay. I thought they will even send the code directly to our email address. Okay. Verify. Once you click on sign up, click on login. The verification code will be sent to your Gmail account. Come straight to your Gmail account. Okay. I will send the message here. Okay, I've sent it. Click on it, copy the code, then input the code there, then click on verified. Wow, once you click on verify, you see you are given instant 31 TOOB token, which was $22.32. This guys, you can make a research, please. Make a research about this coin, how legit it is. So, but me, I've made a research about it, and I can tell you that it is 90% legit. So, total coin MX Global, total coin opening time 7:07 22. So, let's just do this. So far, it is free. So we just have to do it. Then you see what they are ready to offer. You can, after downloading the app, you can go through their website and try and read about them, check about them also, please. So basically, the link to the website will be shared on my video description. Just click on it and you have the opportunity. If you are new to my channel, you know what to do. Subscribe, likes, and turn up the notification bell. My old subscribers, please share my video, like my video, and comment. If you want me to do anything, you need a video about anything, just let me know. I will do it and upload on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.